For cleaning larger areas or detailing specific spots, the OXO Good Grip's Microfiber Spray Mop with slide-out scrubber provides a seamless transition between mopping and spot cleaning for an all-over clean. The Spray Mop features an absorbent, looped microfiber pad, which traps dirt, and a slide-out detail cleaner for scrubbing stubborn stains. It also comes with a solution bottle that you can fill with the cleaning solution of your choice, whether store-bought or your own recipe. You can buy the bottles individually so you can easily separate solutions for different kinds of floors. When you're ready to clean, slide the filled bottle into place on the body of the spray mop. The handle's non-slip grip makes it comfortable to hold. Squeeze the trigger a few times to prime the pump, and the mop will deliver a full, even spray across your floor. The spray mop is safe to use on hardwood floors as well as tile. When you come across a stubborn spot on either type of floor, the detachable scrubber comes in handy. The scrubber is abrasive and great for cleaning dried spills or spots like pasta sauce. When the mess is clear, simply slide the scrubber back into the base. The scrubber is also great for tight spaces near baseboards. A pivoting head allows you to mop even in hard-to-reach places. When you finish cleaning, the microfiber pad is easily removable and machine washable. The scrubber can be rinsed off between uses or replaced when it has worn down. Whether you're looking for a quick clean or a deep, detailed scrub, the OXO Good Grip's Microfiber Spray Mop with slide-out scrubber helps make any cleaning task simple and effective.